Hi everybody, this is Mr. Radha, and now we are doing Computer Science A-Level Paper 3. We are doing the chapter called Carnaugh's Map Part 2. In Part 2, we are going to look at past exam papers and we try to give solution for these exam papers. Okay, let's open it. So the first question we are going to look at is November 2015 paper 33 question number 5. So when you look at this question, we have three inputs. What are our three inputs? Okay, we have A, B, and C. So these are our three inputs. And for three inputs, we have 2 to the power of 3 means 8 outputs. So these are our 8 outputs. Okay, now let's look at the question instead. You have to write the Boolean expression. So what is given? The truth table is given and you are asked to write the Boolean expression. So the output is 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. It means you are going to have 4 parts in the Boolean expression. So the first one is A dash, B, and C. That's why this is already given to you. A dash, B, and C. The third one you have A, B, and C dash. So you put plus already there, plus A, B, and C dash. Now the last part here is 1. It's A, B, and C. So A, B, and C. So we are done with this question. There are 3 marks. You have scored it. Now cross-check the answers given by Cambridge. Okay, this was given, this one, and this one. So fine, we are done with it. Now let's look at the next question. So we have to fill the Carnaugh's map. So this is a K map. Okay, we have to fill it. So let's look at the term. A is 0, A is 0, B is 1, and C is 1. A is 0, B is 1, and C is 1. So here is this term. So let's have a look at it. So again, A is 0, okay, B is 1, and C is 1. Okay, so we put a 1 here. Next one is A is 1, B is 1, and C is 0. So A is 1, B is 1 is here, and C is 0. So this comes to a 1. Now this last one, A is 1, B is 1, and C is 1. So A is 1, B is 1, and C is 1 is this one. So we have 3 ones, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. These are our 3 terms, and 1, 2, and 3 terms. The rest we have to put it 0. Okay, we fill it with 0 because it's not a 1. So let's check the answer. Okay, the answer given by Cambridge report is the same. Okay, now let's look at the next question. We have to draw loops around the groups of 1. Okay, to produce an optimal sum of products. So as you can see, we can group these 2 elements as one group and these 2 elements as another group. So we have 2 groups, and we cannot form a group of 3. So if we look at these 2 terms, the first group, I try to work it for you. The first group is A, B, and C dash. And next term in this one is A, B, and C. Now what is changing? C is changing. So we cross it. What is left? AB. So now, as you can see, we must have AB in our answer. Okay. Now again the next group, let's work it out. This is A, B and C, and this one brings you to A dash, is a B and a C. Sorry, this is A dash. So the A and A dash will cross. What is left? B and C. So we put a plus B and C. Okay, this is A dash. Next, let's cross check the answer. Okay, we are done. This is AB. This is BC. So we are done with this. Now next question. Let's try next question now. Okay, part B. If you look at this question now, we have 4 inputs. What are our 4 inputs? A, B, C and D. So 2 to the power of 4 gives you 16. Okay, so we have 16 output. 4 here, another 4, another 4, then the last 4. Okay, so we have 4 output. What is our output? Is X. And these are the terms that should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's try to work it out. This should be A dash, okay, B, C dash, D dash. This is A dash, B, C and D dash. Next, this is A, B, C dash, D dash. Next term is A, B, C and D dash. This is A, B, C and D. So you can write the expression if you want. The expression can be X equal to the first term plus the second term plus the third term plus the fourth term plus the fifth term. Okay, so the first term will be A dash, B, C dash, D dash, and like this, A dash, B, C, D dash, and so on. Okay, let's now try to answer the question. Here we have to fill in the Carnaugh's map. So this was the question, not about writing the Boolean expression, but filling the Carnaugh's map. Now this is A0, B0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay, this is given to you. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Now let's look at something else now. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. Now this one is A dash, B dash, A dash B, AB, and this is A, B dash, C dash, D dash, C dash D, CD dash, and CD. Now if you look at the terms here, the first term is 1, A is 0, B is 1, C is 0, D is 0. So you go to your map. So the first one is A0. Okay, let's try to write it here. A0, B1 and CD00. A0, B is 1, okay, and CD 0, 0, it comes to 1 here. So this is our first term. The second term, we fill it like this: A0, A0, B is 1, C is 1, D is 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, and 1, 0. Wait, sorry. Okay. So the next term is, let's look at it. Try it. Wait, let's look at the term again. Yes. Okay. Now you have to fill it properly. You go like this. Next term is, you fill it like this, like this, like this, and like this. So you have 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you fill with 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, let's look at it. So this is our 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. I have filled it like this. Again 0, 0, 0, 0. Then comes 1, 0, and 1, 0. So 1, 0, and then 1, 0. And the next term is 4 zeros. Okay, we go for the 4 zeros. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, and 4, 0. Then comes the last one, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So we go this way: 1, 0, and then 1, and 1. So this is the order, and you can cross check if it is like this. Okay, next we are done with the populating. We call that populating the Karnaugh map. So we have already populated the Karnaugh map. We cross check the answers. Okay, it's good. We are done with it. Next, we draw loops around the appropriate one to produce the grouping. So let's look at it. The groups. Here you can see you can form a group of 4, this one and this one, because there is overlapping. These 4 ones can be grouped because we can group it, we can fold it in a vertical way. So if we fold it in a vertical way, these 2 and these 2 will form one group. Okay, if you fold it, yes. Next we can have another group of 2. So we have 2 groups, one group of 4, okay, group of 4, and another one is a group of 2 terms. We try to solve it now. We try to solve it now. Let's try it now. Okay, the group of 4, if we write it, okay, if the group of 4 we try to write it, we see what is changing. So we write the terms. We try to solve this now. Okay, let's go up. The group of 4, we try to write the terms. The first one here is A, B, and then C dash, and D dash. Okay, the second one is here. The first one here is A dash, B, and then C dash, D dash. Now the second term here is AB, and then C dash, D dash. This one becomes A dash, B, then C, D dash, This one now it becomes AB and CD dash. Now we can see here for the four terms A is changing, so we can eliminate A. B is not changing, so we keep B. Okay, C is changing. C is changing. Yes, so we can eliminate C. But the D is dash everywhere. I made a mistake here. The D is dash everywhere. The D dash is not changing, so we keep the D dash. So from the groups of 4 here, this is what we get if we simplify it. Now let's look at the group of 2 now. The group of 2 we have here. This first term is A, B. Then we have CD. The next element is AB. And then we have C dash. So D and D dash cancel. What is left is E, B, and C. So our answer will be like this. For the first group, we have B, D dash, plus from the second group we have E, B, C. So this is the answer. Let's cross check now if we are right or wrong. Okay, we are done with it. Now next question. You have another truth table where you have 3 inputs. Okay, 2 to the power 3 makes 8, and we have here an output Z. We have 3 terms in our answer. So the 3 terms is P, Q dash, R dash. We have P, Q, and R dash. And then we have P, Q, and R. Now what is asked in the exam now? To write the terms. So the terms will be P, Q dash, R dash, plus, then you have P, Q dash, R, plus P, Q, and R. So this is our answer. Right, we got this one, and this one. Next, now we move to the next question. We have to populate the Karnaugh map. Okay, now the 3 terms will be like this. Okay, we have 1 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 here. So if you follow well, you will see that you have the 3 terms. So P is 1 and E is 1, Q is 0, R is 0. So P is 1, let's look at it. P is 1, Q is 0, and R is 0 is here. That's why this one is 1. And you can work out for the others. Okay. Now we try to form the groups. We can form 2 groups of 2, 1 group and 2. We can reduce the expression. The first group, this one, is P, Q, and R dash. So the second one now, it's P, Q, and R. R cancel, you get PQ. Now this one again, P, Q, R, and this one is, wait. This is P, Q dash, and R. Now this one is P, Q, and R. The Q cancel, get P, R. Let's check we are not mistaken. So here I think we did a mistake. This is Q dash because Q is 0 here, and here also Q is dash, so the answer should be Q dash. Okay, this is one, this is another term, so the answer will be Z equal to P Q dash plus PR. Okay, we are done with it now. Okay, that's good. Now let's try another question. Now here we have 4 inputs, P, Q, R and S. So when we have 4 inputs, it's 2 to the power of 4. We have 16 outputs. So this is our 16 output, 4, 4, and again 4, and again 4. And our output is Z. Now, when we look at it carefully, we have 1 term, 2, 3, 4, and 5 terms. Okay, so we try to populate the Karnaugh map. So this is P0, Q0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. This one now, let's have a look at it. It's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Now, when we go up, we can see that PQ is 0, 0 here, and all the answers are 0. Okay, if we go like this, PQ 0, so this is 0, 0, 0, and 0. Next, we try the next one now. These 4 terms where we have P0 and Q is 1. So P0, Q is 1, this one P0, Q is 1. So we are supposed to write 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1 and 0, 1. Sorry, 0, 1. Wait. Yes, 0, 1 and 0, 1. So let's go like this. 0, 1 and 0, 1. Remember these two we swap. Next now. Okay, we have swapped these two. Next, we have these 4 terms now. Okay. These 4 terms. Okay. 0, 1 and 0, 0. Okay, this is 0, 1 and 0, 0. What is left now? These 4 terms. 0, 1 and 0, 1. So we are done. This is the order we follow. And remember, these two, we have swapped these 2 columns. Swap, and these 2 rows we have swapped. Next now, we are done with it. Answer is good. Now we try to form the groups. Okay, you can have a group of 4 here. Okay, and this one a group of 2. Now let's have a look how we can group these 4 terms. So the group of 2 is easy. You have the 2 terms P, Q. This P is 1, Q is 1, and R is 0, S is 1. R is 0 and S is 1. And this one now, P is 1, Q is 0, and R is 1, and S is R is 0 and S is 1. So when we work this out, you will see that only Q changes. So if Q changes, we can cancel it. The answer will be P, R, P, R, and S. Okay, let's look at it well. Yes, R is 0, so it's R dash. So P, R dash, and S. Okay, try to check it. Now these four terms, you have to work it out. You will see that the first one is P dash Q and R dash S. Okay, this one already done. It's P Q R dash S. Next, this one now is P dash Q and RS. Last one now, P Q RS. Now when we work this out, you see P is changing, so P is cancel. S is changing, so S cancel. What remains is Q and S. Okay, let's try this now. When you work it out, the groups will get an answer. Check it again. Q dash plus R P S dash. Okay. Next now, let's look at another question. This one. Okay, this is very simple. It's a NAND gate. You can show your working. So this one you multiply times B 0 0 0 1. Then you dash. So this is AB A times B. Then X is equal to A times B dash. So the answer will be here X equal to A times B, the result dash 1 1 1 and 0. We go. This is correct. Okay. Now we go for another question. Okay. Now for this one, you have to work it out. A dash 1 1 0 0, and then B dash 1 0 1 0. Then you have to add them. A dash plus B dash. So 1 1 1 0. So 1 1 1 and 0. Let's check it. So that's right. We go for the next question. So the circuit for A is A times B bracket dash, and the circuit for the second circuit is A dash plus B dash. Okay. Now yes, this is correct. Now we write the De Morgan law. Okay, the De Morgan law is written like this: A times B bracket dash is the same thing as B dash plus B dash. the same result. Now let's try something else. Okay, this is correct. Now let's try something else. Okay, can reduce Boolean expression. Okay, you can do this on your own. Now this one is easy. You have the answer. You can work it out. Okay, and the truth table also is easy. You can try it. It's not easy. You can try this nowadays. Now, one thing we can have a look at. Okay, when you work this out, get this answer. Now here I'm going to draw using the truth table. I'm going to draw the Carnaugh's map. Okay, and I draw the Carnaugh's map. You will get the answer like this: 0 0 0 0, then 1 1 and 0 1. Okay, this is done. Okay, we are done with this. This we can form two groups, one group and two group. And the first group, let's say this is A, B dash, C dash, and the second one A, B dash, C. What cancels C? What is left is A, B dash. Now the second group is AB and then C. Then you have E, B dash, and then you have C. So B cancel, you get AC. So these are the two terms that we are supposed to get. If we work it out, X is equal to E, B dash plus AC. Now let's try something else. Okay, you can work it out, simplify the Boolean identity. Next question. Go faster now. So what is given to you? The truth table is given to you. Now you have to write the Boolean expression. This is simple now. It's very easy. You can go above. You can see you have one term, 2, 3, 4. And you can easily write the Boolean expression. It's given here. Okay, it's A dash, okay, A dash, B, C dash plus A dash, BC plus A, B dash, C dash plus A, B dash, C. And cross check it, it's good. Next we have to populate the Carnaugh's map. You can try it. Supposed to get 0 0 is 1 1 1 1 and 0 0. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So 0 0 1 1, sorry, 0 0 1 1, then 1 1 and 0 0. Okay, this is the order. You have to remember, so it's good. Next question. Now we can form two groups of 2 and then we can summarize it. The answer will be A dash E plus A B dash, A B dash. Okay, we are done with this. Next, now what is given, another truth table is given, and then you have to populate the Carnaugh's map. It's easy. This is AB, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. This is CD, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. The order that we put it's 0 0 0 0, then 1 1 1 1, then 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is the order we place it. Wait, we did some mistake. Wait, now let's go back. So this is not horizontal way. Wait, now I think we have to do like this: 0 1 and 0 1. Okay, then 0 1 and 0 1 and 0 1 and 0 0 0 1 and 0 0. Okay, go this way. It's correct. Okay, next. We're almost done now. We reduce. We see we can form a group of 4, another group of 4, and we reduce the expression. We get A dash B and B, A dash B and B C dash. Okay, that's the end. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any problem, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your study.